Hello, friends. Have you ever noticed that things around us exist in collection? For example, collection of books, a bouquet of flowers, collection of pencil colors, collection of keys. But do you think that kind of collection have some mathematical property attached to them? So, that property we will learn in sets. Today's topic is sets. In mathematics, what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Here, what do you mean by well-defined? Well-defined means it does not vary from person to person. It will remain same for all. Here, collection refers to group and objects refers to people or thing. Let us consider some examples to understand this topic. Here is the first example. Days of a week. Is it a set? Let us find out. I know days of a week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. When I ask you, you give me the same answer. When I ask another person, the answer will be the same. So, the collection of days of a week does not vary from person to person. So, it is a well-defined. So, it is a set. Another example is top 5 actors of Bollywood. Is it a set? Let us find out. According to me, top 5 actors are those. When I ask you, maybe according to you, top 5 actors are those. When I ask my friend, maybe according to him, top 5 actors are those. So you see, all have different ideas, different answers for that. So, answer differs. Answer varies from person to person. It is not same for me, for you, as well as for my friend. So, this collection is not well defined. So, it is not a set. Here another example is vowels in English. Is it a set? Let us find out. I know vowels in English are A, E, I, O, U. When I ask you, the answer will be same. When I ask another person, he will give me the same answer. So, the collection of vowels A, E, I, O, U is same for all. So, it is well defined. So, it is a set. Collection of beautiful flowers. Is it a set? Here, I want to tell you one thing. We cannot measure beauty. So, it is not well defined. So, it is not a set. Representation of sets. We can represent sets in two forms. First one is roster or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. Let us consider first one, that is roster or tabular form. In this form, all the elements of a set are listed in a manner that they are separated by commas and enclosed within the curly brackets. For example, here capital A is a set of vowels. Here A, E, I, O, U all are called members or elements of a set A. Here all the elements or all the members of A are separated by commas and closed in curly braces. Now next example is capital B. Capital B represents a set of natural numbers less than 5. Now here is a note. First one is elements does not repeat in this form. It means that we will not repeat any member or element of a set. For example, here is a word contrast. Contrast carries T 2 times in it, but when we write this word in the form of roster or tabular form, we will not consider T 2 times. For example, capital A represents the word contrast, but it does not carry T 2 times. For example, capital A equals to bracket starts C, comma O, comma N, comma T, comma R, comma A, comma S, bracket closed. That's all. Second note is order of elements does not matter in it. It means that the members or the elements of set can be written in any way. Any element or member can be first element or last element. For example, here is a set B which represents a set of natural numbers less than 4 in 3 ways. In first set, it carries 1 as a first element, and in second set 2 is first element of the set, and in third set 3 as a first element of set. All 3 ways are same, but only they are written in different ways, but all are sets. Now another form is set builder form. In this form, the set is described according to common property of its elements. It means that, in other words, the members or the elements of the set will definitely follow some property in it. For example, here is a capital A which represents set of vowels. We will write the set of vowels in this form as this. Capital A equals to bracket start small x colon small, where small x is a vowel in English, bracket close. Next, we can write a set of natural numbers less than 5 like this way. Capital B equals to bracket starts x such that where small x is a natural number less than 5, bracket close. Now review. Set is a well-defined collection of objects. Set is denoted by capital letters as this. Objects of the set are called elements or members. Elements of set are represented by small letters as this. If small a is an element of set A, then it is represented as small a belongs to capital A, where small a is element or member and capital A is set. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you so much.